Hey, it's Vaz here from Aussie RC Playground, and we are back with the ARRMA Infraction. This time we're using the high-speed Pinion, which is a 27 tooth. We're going to be running it on 4S first, which is a 5000 milliamp 50C prime hard case pack, and then we'll switch out to 6S and see if we can crack 80 miles an hour. Okay, first pass on 4S with the optional Pinion. Oof. I can already feel the speed. Let's see how we go, Noah. $95. Okay. Okay. 95, almost 60 miles an hour on 4S. That's crazy. Oh my god, this thing is so quick. Okay, here we go, Noah. And so stable. 94 that time. $94, thank you very much. Okay. Third and final pass. We'll wind it up a little bit more. We'll go right to the end of the street there. Here we go, Noah. $95, that's what she'll do. $95, yes. All right, let's go 6S. Let's see what this thing can really do. All right, here we go. 80 miles an hour or bust. For those of you who don't know, I am using my DX5C. I got my AVC turned down to 30% for both throttle and steering. And we are using a 5400 milliamp 60C battery. Here we go now, first pass. Holy Jesus! Oh, I had sparks coming out of the back. How much? 132. All right, well that's just beaten the fastest car that I had on the channel previously. And that's not even joking. Holy my god, this thing is quick. Oh man, this thing is so fast. I cannot wait to get the Limitless. Limitless is going to be next level. Here we go, Noah. Second pass. Jesus! How much? 133. 133. That spark's coming out of the back of it again. Oh my god. Jeez. And that's with the stock spoiler as well. We can cut that spoiler down a little bit to minimize the downforce. I haven't adjusted suspension or done anything to this car. It is all stock with the exception of my XT150s and of course the high-speed Pinion gear. And we are running 6S. Here we go, Noah. Third and final pass. Oh geez. $135 that time. Holy. Here we go. Whew. That dude must have been freaking out. Oh my god, let me get that properly, let me get that properly. That is one for the ages, that one. Oh my god. Now I did forget to check the GPS on the last, on the 4S pass, but to be honest, I checked it afterwards and it said 66 k's an hour, which obviously that's not correct. So hopefully it registered something similar to what the radar gun did this time around. Let me just zoom out here so we can see this properly. Let's see, what did we get, Noah? I'm just gonna take it out of here and have a, nah, 75, nah, GPS is broken. Don't worry about that. Yeah, I'll take 135 on the radar gun. Holy, wow, 135 kilometers an hour. Oh, what can I say? I'm absolutely stoked. This is definitely the beginning of something special for this guy, and of course the Limitless if I can get my hands on it. there we are, guys. That's what the infraction will do. Yeah, I'm done for the day. Thank you all very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and as always, check out the video description for more information on the car, as well as links to my social media pages. Thank you again, and I'll speak to you all next time.